Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I'm back with a new product to review on my desk. It's a budget wireless Bluetooth headphones from this company called Boult Audio, and the model of the headphones is Q. You've got the Boult Audio branding here and a picture of the headphones on the box. We've got the black color model. The Boult Q headphones come in this simple box packing. Let me tear the packaging and take the box out. I want to thank Boult Audio for sending me this product for review. So here is the box packing. Looks like the box got slightly damaged while shipping. I hope everything's okay inside. Alright, let's see what's written on the box. You've got some info over here. The model is Boult Q. It also comes with a microphone and the color is black. The price on the box says 4,830 rupees, but this thing is available for only 1,600 rupees on Myntra. Let's check out its features. These headphones are lightweight, have a comfortable fit, come with protein leather padding, offer 8 hours of battery life, supports aux and Bluetooth modes, has a built-in mic and built-in subwoofers to produce deep bass. So these were all of its features. Now let's get started with the unboxing. The outer cover slides out like this, and here are the wireless headphones. Oh no, looks like they got damaged while shipping. I can see some scratches on the ear cups. Let me take them out and see. Oh boy, it's got dust on them and slight scratches at the top. I think they must have got damaged while shipping. Boult Audio, please take care while shipping so it doesn't happen again. So this is how the Q wireless headphones look like. They've got an all black design with red accents. We'll check out the headphones in a bit. First, let's see what else do we have in the box. You get a 3.5mm to 3.5mm aux cable, so you can also use them in wired mode when the battery runs out, a USB cable for charging the headphones, and a user manual. Just make sure to read it for all the info on the product. So these were all the items we got in the box. Now let's check out the headphones. The Boult Audio's Q have an over-the-head design. You've got the Boult Audio branding here. The ear cups are rotatable, but they only rotate in one direction like this. Talking about the build quality, they're completely made of plastic and are easily scratchable, so you should be a bit careful with them. This is how the headband looks like. You've got the Boult Audio branding at the top. The headband is also adjustable. They extend like this so it can fit almost any head size. They're also really lightweight, so you won't feel like there's something heavy on your head. The bottom of the headband has cushion type padding which feels soft and spongy. And the quality of the ear cups look good. They're made of artificial leather. You've got the left and right indications on it as well. Now let me show you the different ports and buttons on it. You have a microphone port, a power LED indicator, an aux input, and a micro USB port for charging the headphones. Beside that, you've got a multifunction button, volume/music skip buttons, and a call, answer and end button. These were all the ports and buttons on these headphones. So that was our overview on the design and the build quality. Now let's talk about the comfort and the audio quality. The Boult Q wireless headphones are really lightweight and comfortable to wear. I felt the size of the ear cups were a bit small, but still they were pretty good for long time listening. The noise isolation was also good. Now talking about the audio quality was really good for the price. The mids were crisp and clear, the vocals felt warm and mellow, all the dialogues were clearly understandable, and the treble quality was also good. Coming to the bass was also nice. It was producing deep and punchy bass. The distortion was also less even at max volume. I was quite satisfied with the audio quality for the price. It also has a microphone on it, and the quality of the mic was good during call conversations. Talking about the battery life was decent. On an average, I was getting around 6 to 7 hours of music playtime at 80% volume level. And you don't need to worry about the battery, because even if the battery runs out, you can use it in wired mode with the provided aux cable. So that was my review on the Boult Audio's Q wireless Bluetooth headphones. They're good headphones, the audio quality is really nice, the connectivity features are good, and the battery life is also decent. The only thing I felt was the build quality could have been better. It costs about 1,600 rupees and is available on Myntra. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.